guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today I'm with my friend, or so-called. I can't pronounce your name. Pronounce it for me, please. Oh my gosh, this is awkward. I call him Adme B. Because that's literally what the hot name says. DinoCraft. Okay, I'm just gonna call him DinoCraft. So anyway, we're about to do parkour in 3, 2, 1. I'm ready to go. Bye. I'm probably gonna die on this one. No. Okay, so we're racing to the end. I'm probably gonna cut a lot of parts out. I don't think this video being an hour long of me starting over and over again because I'm pretty bad at doing this parkour. He's pretty good because he's the one who created the map, basically. No, don't do this to me. Alright. I hate this type of parkour. No! No! Alright, I'm back to the part where I left off. And I am super duper scared. Also, say I didn't kick you. I'm so sorry. I'll talk to you after the video probably because you're going to be watching this. So it's alright. No! Yes. Yes. Don't rage. Don't rage. You got this. You got it. Oh my gosh. I forgot about this part. 1, 2. No! No! Rip. And I'm back. Yes. I could actually make it. Yes. This could be a new, whatever, revelation. Yes. Yes. Spawn point. There. And, rip. You got this. You can do this. Oh, I hate this part. This is a hard part. You have to just keep on doing parkour on the ice and try not to fall into lava. Okay, that's a step closer. Alright. 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 Okay, I made it! That's a new record. If I film this part, I'm gonna laugh so hard. I actually made it. No! Why? And I died again. And we're back at the jump. Alright, we're back at this part. And I made it all the way through all of this. So now it's time for the champion to rise. Alright, that's easy. That was easy enough. Next. Yes! Don't mess up. Don't mess up. Parkour. You got this. You got this. Wow, you're kind of just watching me. Yes! Hallelujah! I'm so happy that I made it. Like, so happy. Set spawn point. Set spawn point. There we go. And parkour, 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 and yeah, parkour. What's life without parkour, right? You got this. You got this. You got this. You can actually make it. Believe in yourself. Believe. Believe. No, I was so close. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. So basically I'm doing this. Ha, ba, ba, The easiest parkour in the world. Apparently it's not so easy, so let me just put all this in my inventory, all that. And just, come on, you got this. It's so easy at parkour, that's what it looks like probably. But it's not that easy. Because I'm doing it. And I call myself Parkour King. I'm pretty sure we all know that's not true. Wait. I can actually make it. No! Alright, we're back on this part. And I'm... No! Alright, so I finally made it past that part. It was very hard and tedious part of progress. And, I'm hoping to beat the map now. And, yeah. And, I just keep walking. And walking. And walking. And, I don't like this part very much. Wait, I don't know. No! Alright, I made it back. I'm about to try and cheat on this. Oh, wait, that actually works. Wait, open the door. Oh my gosh, that actually worked. No, don't do this to me. Who cares? I'm setting my spawn point right here. I don't even care anymore. Set spawn point. They're so easy, apparently. That's what you're calling it. Alright, so, yes! Yeah! The jump that everyone's... Rip. The jump that everyone's been waiting for since my camera failed the last time. 3. Dun-dun-dun-dun! And I made it! The easiest parkour in the world, don't you guys agree? Yes! Alright, now I take my reward. Yay! And it's a giant smiley face. Well, I'm taking all of that. Taking all the golden apples. And then probably gonna put it back after the video. So, guys, thanks for watching. Oh wow, he just popped up. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And just like and subscribe and do everything you like. This video will be uploaded today. Probably it's gonna be nighttime by the time we upload it though. But still, I'm gonna upload it like probably right now. You guys don't know that because well, never mind. So anyway, hope you guys go. My friend's about to go on camp, and I hope you guys enjoyed. So guys, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. You were kicked from the. Let's life it out. Let's life it out Minecraft. Well, anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I was kicked by my friend. Well, he has to go to camp. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the last part of the video where I got kicked. Totally not on purpose. Yeah, but yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow in a brand new video. Wait, should I upload tomorrow? I don't know. Maybe I should. 3. Bye, guys.